guys, so this video is about how to write blog posts for 6 months in 2 weeks using AI technology. So you're going to see the process that I specifically go through to write my rough drafts and edit my rough drafts for my blog post over the course of like 2 weeks. I've done it all like at this point. So you're gonna see kind of the breakdown of that process and what it was all like. So if you want to know more about this and different business tips and teaching tips, if you could like and subscribe this video, and let's get into my writing blog post in 2 weeks. Use the AI Writesonic. I just found it works best for what I'm trying to do. I looked at several different AIs. I enjoyed Jasper quite a bit, but Writesonic is just a little bit more in my budget and has pretty much everything that Jasper has. So usually by this point, I already have like kind of a good idea, a good title that I'm wanting to put forward. But if you don't, like, say you just are like, oh, I know I want to type on St. Patty's Day. So you could type in St. Patrick's Day. And then if you click generate, then that will give you different topics, different titles for your piece, what you want to put forward from that. Or if you have a good idea because you've already kind of done keyword research and you know what you want your title to be, you can even just click next, right? So I knew that I wanted my title to be St. Patrick's Day Math Activities, that's what I wanted to do with that. And so if you put that in and then click generate, then it's going to come up with 3 options over here for introductions based on AI. So like this top one, this is the one I ended up picking, but St. Patrick's Day is a great opportunity to combine math and fun activities. After all, it's a holiday based on numbers, right? This day brings sheer joy and excitement for many kids. They get to dress up as their favorite leprechaun characters, sing songs about the famous Irish saint, make crafts related to the special day, and of course, eat plenty of green treats. But how can you make it even more special by adding some math activities that will challenge your child at the same time as helping them practice important skills? Let's take a look at some ideas that might give you inspiration for your child or class. And so say you liked it, but you wanted to change a couple things, you can click this little pencil down here, and then it will pop up with an opportunity for you to edit different things. You could delete it if you're like, I really hate this, I don't want this at all. You can copy it to a clipboard into something else if that's what you want to do, or you can even like rank the AI on how they did on this and what they liked. So Grammarly has I think that should be 4 mini kids. And then if you just click out, then it saves it, and you can click this little button over here. So you can see it says copy has been edited successfully. You can click this little button over here to show that that's the one that you want. These are the ones that I didn't pick. So like letting loose, I wasn't sure that went with math and stuff like that, so I didn't choose those ones. But once you choose the one that you want to do, you can click to the next page, and then it will fill in the intro that you picked right here. So whichever one you picked, and if you edited, etc., it will fill it in right here. So then if you aren't quite sure like what you want in terms of like an outline, so say you're like, I don't know what I want in terms of an outline, what I want to put together, then you can ask them to generate an outline for you. So you can say generate, and it will come up with some different outlines potentially that you could have. So like St. Patrick's Day word problems, counting activities, shapes games, Lucky Leprechaun rhymes, color games, bingo games, conclusion. So it can give you like different outlines if you want to, and kind of the same thing as before, like you'll click this and then go to the next screen and it will fill it in. Or if you have an idea of what you want as an outline, which I did, because in my mind map I put it forward, right? I will fill in exactly what I want for my headlines and my outline to put forward for them to work out. So however many things you pick in your outline is based on like how many credits you're going to like use for this. So like getting on an idea is 1 credit, getting an intro is another credit, getting an outline is 1 credit, but getting like the actual article is based on like how many sections for the article you put. So I put 4 here, so that means that it's going to cost 4 for them to generate an article out for me. So I pay $15 a month for 100 credits, so that's helpful. And so then over here, usually with this one too, they give you a little picture at the beginning, which is kind of fun for the article. And then they put an article forward for you and just write like the whole thing. And then you like this AI, obviously it's not going to be perfect. And obviously if you are wanting to highlight your own products, which I do, then you have to kind of go through and do your own things. So Writesonic has this thing called the Sonic Editor. It's kind of like Google Docs in a way, for you to be able to go in and edit those items and edit what you want to see. So you can like click from it right here. I already have this in the Sonic Editor and another thing, so I'm gonna pop over there to kind of show you the next step when it comes to this article specifically. So let me pop over there. Okay, so we are over here in the Sonic Editor and we're editing this piece that the AI put together for me. So it's kind of just a little bit like a normal editor. It's a little bit slower than say like Google Docs or something like that. So you could just like copy this out, take it to Google Docs if that's what you want to do. Up here, there's your focus mode, Sonic mode, and Surfer SEO mode. So like Sonic mode talks about AI generated copy here, and then over here you're kind of just working with it. This would allow you to generate more AI and over here and then pull it over potentially. SEO mode, same thing over here. You have to connect it to your content editor on Surfer. So I don't really do that. So I just kind of stay on the focus mode. You can still write with AI on this mode even without the Sonic mode. It's just over here and you have kind of your settings for that. So I was starting to put some more in for this array things because they only came up with the first part of this right here. And this didn't necessarily like put it really forward for it to go with St. Patty's Day. So I wanted to put in aspects for St. Patty's Day down here.
Okay guys, so that was the process of using AI to actually write my blog posts, rough drafts, and then editing them to put my own spin on things and my own products and things. Really overall, just like this entire process, a couple takeaways is like AI makes things so much easier. Before I was using AI technology to put together these blog posts, I was really just complaining about it all the time. Like I could do it, but I did not like it. It was not fun. It seemed like a major struggle. And my husband had to deal with me complaining to him constantly about it. But AI just makes the process so much faster and so much easier. And second is the idea that you are going to have to edit. You're going to have to put your own spin on things. AI doesn't do it all for you. AI is not perfect. It doesn't understand some things. And obviously, AI is not going to understand your products or what you are trying to sell, what you are trying to market to other people. So you're going to have to put your own products in. You're going to have to put your lead magnets. You're going to have to put whatever that you are really trying to lead people to. You're going to have to put that in your blog post because AI doesn't know how to do that. And that's really just part of the editing process that I was even going through in these couple of weeks, is making sure that I have my own products and everything in the program and stuff like that. But I hope this process was helpful to you guys. And if you want to follow me on any of my social media, it is at The Truthful Tutor. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.